Hello, teacher Paola Andrea. My name is Carlos Julian Gomez Rangel. I am a student, the environmental engineer. This is English 2. My group is 9002171. Talking about jobs. The ideal job for me is to be Secretary of the Environment because from the Municipal Mayor Office of Giron, I could manage different resources that will be used to project natural space to save different ecosystems. The environmental part is a use that must be taken into account in each municipality, because the conservation of all natural resources depends on it. For this reason, when I finish my degree in environmental engineering, I hope to be able to take advantage of the experience I have with the Giron Mayor's Office to start my work project from the Environment Secretariat and support the protection of natural environments. Caring for the environment is a fundamental aspect that warrants continuity in the life of all the species that inhabit the entire planet Earth. Thank you very much. Bye bye.